Today we'll talk about how can you default trading app on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you come here to default trading app, you just click on it here. So then here can you default here your trading app in this list here on your app, so on your Octa app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking